welcome back to my channel. It is Taya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad that you subscribed. So today's tutorial is a makeup tutorial. It's inspired by Bruno Mars' new music video, Gorilla. And in the video there was this girl in the beginning. She had a nice smoky eye and a nice bold red lip. In the center of the eye between the brow bone and the mobile lid was a blend of some nice dark gold. So I just recreated the look for you guys. So this is what I came up with. But of course, if you guys wish to doll this look up, you can definitely add your favorite lashes to this look. I'm just wearing one coat of mascara, and that's what that looks like. Just in case you're wondering what I'm wearing as my foundation today, of course, as usual, I'm wearing a mixture of my Black Opal liquid in Truly Topaz, my Mary Kay foundation number, I think medium coverage in number 600, and my Himalaya oil-free foundation, and I just use this to deepen the mix. So this is what I'm wearing as my foundation today. And of course, Milk of Magnesia as a face primer. So of course, don't forget to check out my previous videos, and don't forget to subscribe to me if you're not already subscribed. Like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter, all at Naturally Miss Taya. The links will be in the description bar below. Wherever it is that you are, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.